The Ratchet Mechanism Calculator determines tooth load and size requirements for your ratchet wheel design. Let's start with the inputs. First, select your material from the drop-down menu. You can choose steel at 400 MPa, aluminum at 200 MPa, brass at 250 MPa, or stainless steel at 500 MPa. For this demonstration, I'm using steel. Next, enter the applied torque in Newton meters. I'll input 100. Then specify the ratchet wheel radius in millimeters. I'm entering 50. Finally, input the number of teeth on your ratchet wheel. I'll use 20. Click Calculate to generate your results. The calculator processes these inputs to determine the critical parameters for your ratchet mechanism. It calculates the tangential force acting on each tooth based on your torque and radius values. Using the material properties and number of teeth, it determines the required tooth dimensions to safely handle the applied loads. The results show the minimum tooth width and height needed to prevent failure under the specified operating conditions. These dimensions ensure your ratchet teeth can withstand the calculated stresses while maintaining an appropriate safety factor for reliable operation. Find the link in the description below.